Ayun sa inyo guys, so meron mga bagong picture dito sa Messenger na baka hindi nyo pa alam. So, una dyan is yung save photos and videos yan. Ito yan sa more actions once na kinilik nyo yung information ng isang user. So, yung merong ay na bilog or kiklik nyo yung pangalan para madiretso kayo dito sa settings. Ayan, so under more action, dyan yung save photos and videos. So, para saan nga pala itong save photos and videos? Ayan. Nakalagay dyan, automatically save photos and videos that you receive in this chat to your camera roll. Photos and videos saved to your device will not be encrypted. So, make sure lang na enable nyo to bago sila mag-send ng photos and videos. So, yun, para automatically na ma-save yung photos and videos na isisend nila. And then, ang pangalawa dyan, bagong feature ni Messenger, which is itong disappearing messages. So, then, itong disappearing messages is galing siya sa IG. So, kung alam niyo yung once na in-scroll up niyo, yata, I think yun. Ayan. So, how disappearing messages work. Messages disappear in 24 hours. Messages will disappear 24 hours after they are sent. You get screenshot notification. People in this chat will get an alert if the screenshot are detected. Conversation can be report. Ayan, kasama yung messages, disappearing messages. So, I think ito yung pagka ng scroll up guys sa IG. So, try natin sa IG guys. So, ito will create chat lang dito kasi then I think yung scroll na-vanish mode pala yung sorry. Vanish mode na yun.